Hello students. Yesterday we were talking about new lesson, what is happening, but then because of some technical problem, you all were not able to see the video. So I am going to repeat it again. Yesterday we were talking about what is happening. There is a picture in the book. You have to see that picture, and after seeing that picture, you have to write down 4 to 5 lines on that picture. What you have to do, you have to write down one small paragraph. Paragraph means what? 4 to 5 lines on that topic. Now I don't know whether it is visible or not, that picture. Can you see a picture? There is a picture of cricket match. Which match? Cricket match. Can you see a picture? Yes, it is visible. What is given in that? There are players who are ready to play. There are audience sitting behind. Bowler is doing bowling. Correct? Batsman wants to play. Batsman wants to do batting. That is all what shown in the picture. Now here it is told that there is a hint given. What is given? Hint is given. What hint is given? Some words are written. Words like stadium, crowd, fielders all around, batsmen all ready. Which words are given? Stadium, crowd, fielders, after that batsmen, then wicket keeper, umpire, more what is given, bowler, the person who is doing bowling, bowler. In this way, some words are given, and with the help of these words, what we have to do? We have to write down one small paragraph. What we have to do? Can you see those words? Are those words visible? Yes, stadium, crowd, fielders, batsmen, wicket keeper, umpire and bowler. Now we are going to write down some lines on this picture. After seeing this picture, what we can write? I have written some lines. I have written 4 to 5 lines. I have completed one paragraph. That paragraph we will write now. Okay. There is a cricket stadium. There is a cricket stadium with lot of crowd or with lot of audience. Okay. The players are ready. The players are ready to play a game. Okay. Next one. Batsmen are ready to bat. What sentence we can write down? Batsmen are ready to bat. I will write down further. There are two batsmen. Now you know one batsman will be on one side and another batsman will be on another side. So batsmen are ready to bat and bowler is ready to ball. Okay. after that we can write down, bowler is ready to ball, then you can write down, wicket keeper is also waiting to catch the ball. The wicket keeper is waiting to catch the ball. The umpire is standing for correct, or is standing for judgment. Correct or not? Judgment means what? He will tell who is out, whether the ball is correct ball or it is no ball, or whether the batsman is batting properly or not. That all things are shown in the picture. So what we did now, we saw picture, and from that picture, after seeing picture, we did reading of picture. आपण काय केलं? चित्रवाचन केलं. करेक्ट or not? In Marathi you have चित्रवाचन करून 2 ते 3 ओळी लिहा. In Marathi it is there. In same way, in English also, what you have to do? You have to see picture, you have to read the picture, and after reading picture, you have to write down one paragraph on that picture with the help of what? With the help of hints given. Now, stadium was hint given, crowd was hint given, fielders was hint given, batsman was hint given, wicket keeper, umpire, bowler. So, with the help of that words, we have written one paragraph. Understood? That is what I had taught you yesterday. मी काल तुम्हाला हे शिकवलं होतं, पण व्हिडिओ तो दिसला नाही. I don't know what was problem. I made video, but you people were not able to see, so I have repeated same lesson today, same topic what I taught you yesterday. काल मी जे शिकवलं होतं तो काय व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला बघता आला नाही, म्हणून मी same topic आज explain केलाय. Okay, have you understood? What you have to do? You have to write down this paragraph in your English notebook. Okay, do you have English grammar notebook? Yes, you might be having English grammar notebook. What you have to do? You have to write down this paragraph in English grammar notebook. Now, the second picture which is given over here is of aeroplane. दुसरं जे चित्र आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे बुक मध्ये ते कसलं आहे? एरोप्लेनचं आहे. I don't know whether it is visible or not. No, you are not able to see. It is of aeroplane. Aeroplane is there, and no, it is not visible. Aeroplanes are there. Aeroplanes are taking off. Aeroplanes काय करताय? Take off करताय. काही aeroplanes land होताय. Okay, where? At airport. So hint which is given is of what? Words are given: building, large planes, flying. Some planes are flying up. Okay, take off. One plane is taking take off. One plane is landing. Okay, where they are landing, their open sky is there. So open sky is also some word, one word given as a hint. And next one is passenger. One aeroplane is already landed, and some passengers are getting down from the aeroplane. This is a picture. What you have to do? You have to see that picture and you have to do reading of that picture. चित्रवाचन करायचं आणि चित्रवाचन करून त्याच्यावरती एक पॅराग्राफ लिहायचं आहे. Okay, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Have you understood? Have you understood or not? Here what it is told that look at the picture and write a paragraph. If you will get any another picture, and if teacher will say you students read the picture and write down 4 to 5 lines on that picture. तुम्हाला कोणत्या पण टीचरने चित्र जर दिलं आणि दाखवलं, तुम्हाला बोलले मुलांनो हे जरा हे पिक्चर आहे आणि हे पिक्चर बघून तुम्ही काय करायचंय? यू हॅव टू रीड दॅट पिक्चर, अँड आफ्टर रीडिंग दॅट पिक्चर यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन 4 to 5 लाईन्स. तर तुम्हाला 4 ते 5 ओळी लिहायला सांगितल्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्या लिहिता आल्या पाहिजे. That is your creativity. You should know to write, or you should able to write at least 2 to 3 lines on that picture. Which picture? Any picture which is shown to you. Have you understood? So we are learning it. चित्र वाचन करून 4 ते 5 ओळी लिहिता आल्या पाहिजे. कशा लिहिता आल्या पाहिजे? कुठून शोधून लिहून नाही काढायच्या, स्वतःच्या मनाने लिहिता आल्या पाहिजे. Okay, that is what we are studying. We are going to try. I will show you one picture tomorrow. That also on that we will write one paragraph, and after that I will give you one picture as a homework. I will send you one picture and you have to see that picture and write down 4 to 5 lines on that picture. Okay, that is your homework. That homework is for I think so after on Saturday you will get that homework. Okay, this is your today's homework. You have to write down this paragraph in your English grammar notebook. Okay,